In this video, I'm going to show you how to recover your Chime account password. We all know how frustrating it can be to forget a password, especially when it comes to accessing important financial services. So, let's get started and get you back into your account smoothly. First, open the Chime app on your smartphone or navigate to the Chime website on your computer. Whether you're using a mobile device or a desktop, the process is quite similar, so don't worry about missing any steps. If you're on the login screen, you'll notice an option that says Forgot Password. Go ahead and tap or click on that. Next, you'll be prompted to enter the email address associated with your Chime account. It's important to ensure that you type in the correct email address linked to your account, as this is where Chime will send the necessary information to reset your password. Once you've entered your email address, Chime will send a password reset link or code to your email. This might take a few minutes, so be patient and keep an eye on your inbox. If you don't see the email right away, make sure to check your spam or junk folder just in case it ended up there. After you receive the email from Chime, open it and follow the detailed instructions provided to create a new password. The email will guide you through the process, ensuring that you set up a secure password. Remember, a good password is one that combines numbers, letters, and special characters to enhance security. Once you've successfully created your new password, return to the Chime app or website. Use your new password to log into your account. If everything went smoothly, you should now have access to your Chime account without any issues. And that's how to recover your Chime account password. It's a straightforward process, but if you encounter any problems along the way, don't hesitate to reach out to Chime's customer support for additional assistance. They are there to help you resolve any issues you might face. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and I hope it helped you regain access to your Chime account effortlessly. Remember to keep your new password safe and secure to avoid similar situations in the future. Feel free to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials. Have a great day.